North or south? It's north or south? I can see it now from the TV.
Can you please move the car now? Yo, let's go. Let's go. Oh, man. Move the car. Man. Park it in, man. Move it in there. Park the damn car in there. What the fuck?
Have anything further in regards to 32? Any 32 unit have anything further?
That's not even an emergency now.
Sir, are you aware of the reasons why you can use a horn?
Yeah, well, right now you're blocking.
Just so you know, sir, you're being recorded. Okay.
Yeah, you're being recorded too.
Of the times in which you can use your horn on your vehicle?
You're blocking the driveway for no reason.
As you saw, sir, I know because you guys were over there. Yeah. There was someone having a medical emergency.
Yeah, and the ambulance is already gone. Everybody left, and
I know you're recording us. I know you guys are.
Y'all there just talking.
Right.
Y'all could have moved it in a little bit. That's all we asking.
I was instructing one of the other officers exactly how to handle the situation. He has to call ECT. He has to do that. He does blocking it. You could have come over to us and asked us instead of trying to honk at us like that. You know what I mean?
Actually, everybody else started honking. We honked after.
Like this, everything will be fine. But if you're trying to rush us like that for no reason, honking at us, that's not how it should be done. If you come up
I like the way you talk.
If you come up to us,
maybe you can learn. You can learn something from him.
You're gonna talk to me now, please.
No, I'm letting him know. I'm gonna talk to whoever I want to talk to.
Right
Don't
now, okay?
see now you're taking it.
I'm talking to you right now. You're not letting me finish talking. Okay? So what's gonna happen? If you just came up to us and asked us what's going on, or if you would move, I'm instructing him. He has to call ECT, all that stuff, to get a crime scene going because someone almost died.
Yeah, he's told me that someone was laid
now,
down.
Since he has to go follow the ambulance, we're gonna get into our car. We're gonna drive away. Traffic's gonna clear up.
First thing he come with is, you blow the horn, you go, nigga, you know I'm being, you see that? You know you're being recorded. You see this? Look, you see this? It's a great example. It's a great example. See, look, this is the bullshit. And the ambulance already been left. The ambulance already left like about fucking 10 minutes ago.